In this session, we'll be having a look at Stringer Connect's 2D viewer and how it can be used to visualize your data before bringing it into the drawing and see exactly where each point has been located from. To access this feature, open Stringer Connect using the import and reduce command. Once open, go to 2D viewer to open the 2D viewer interface. Upon opening the 2D viewer, you can see all of the commands that we can now access at the top of the ribbon, and we can also see exactly where each point has been located from each instrument station. Now each of these instrument stations are actually outlined via a badge icon that you can see here, and any error that may have been introduced that exceeds the tolerance that has been set can be seen via the red circle over that point. Now I'll work with this further in a minute. First off, we want to apply an aerial image to this dataset so we have a better understanding of how it's operating. Select the aerial image option and select the image that is currently within this drawing. You will see that the image now backgrounds the data, and we're able to use this moving forward to get a better understanding of where our points fall. Now if you wish to make this a little bit clearer to read, you have a number of options for toggling on and off both the points, the point information, and the radiations. Using the point display controls, you are able to turn on and off the point number, elevation, and code, and also you are able to show radiations, orientations, and control points. Now, if you wish to see the report on all of your backside and foresight checks, you are able to access the report function. This will give you a breakdown and will highlight any observations that happen to fall outside of the tolerance. Now this tolerance can be set under settings and can be increased and decreased as you wish. Once you have changed the backside check, ensure that you hit refresh check to get this to update. If you wish to visualize your pickup, you are able to use the watch survey command. This will allow you to visualize and see exactly when each point was shot and where it was shot from with ease.